Creating a text ad. Hello there, my friends. Let's continue from where we left off so we can teach you how to set up the next type of LinkedIn ad available on the Campaign Manager, the text ads. Start on the Campaign Manager while already logged into your ad account and click on Create Campaign. Now locate the text ads option in the campaign type selection page and click on its corresponding select shortcut. Now it is time to start creating a new text ad campaign. The first step is to enter your campaign information. Start by entering a name for your text ad campaign in the campaign name field, and then choose your campaign's target language on the target audience language menu. Then click on Next. In the following step, you will have to set up your ad content. You will first need to specify where members should go when they click on your ad. There are two options available: My Page on LinkedIn and My Website. If you select the My Page on LinkedIn option, you will be able to send people either to your LinkedIn page's main company page or to your LinkedIn page's career page. If you select the My Website option, you will be able to send people to your website after they click through your ad. In our example case, we are going to select the My Website option, and then we are going to enter our website's URL in the URL field. Now you will have to edit the actual text ad. Start by entering your text ad's headline, image, and copy. Our advice when it comes to writing a catchy headline includes making it brief and direct, and to make it either into a question related to your offer, a how-to statement on how to leverage the contents of your offer, or a command line such as "Get ahead of the competition with our offer." Now the ad copy should be a longer variation of the message in your headline, and it should include a call to action as well as an incentive, such as a discount if there is one. Lastly, to add an image to your ad, you will simply have to click on the image box and look for an adequate image on your computer, and then to double-click on it to upload it to your ad. You will be able to preview how your ad will look on different placements across LinkedIn on the preview section on the right-hand side of the screen. This preview column will allow you to see a square version of your ad, a horizontal version of your ad, and a long version of your ad. Once you finish setting up your ad, simply click on Save to move on to the next step. Now, before you actually move on to the next step, you will be offered the options to edit your ad, to duplicate your ad, to manage tracking on your ad, and to create another ad to run on the same campaign. For this example, we are going to simply click on Next, as we are not going to edit, duplicate, or manage tracking, nor are we going to create an ad variation. The next step is the audience creation and targeting setup. Here you will find the same audience targeting setup options we showed you previously. You can select to use a matched audience to either retarget website visitors or to target a list of accounts or contacts. And you can also use a saved audience to target by going to the Target By menu and selecting the Apply Previously Saved Template option. For this example, we are simply going to select the Audience Below option on this same menu to set up your target audience from scratch. When you select this option, you'll have to first select your target locations in the What Locations Do You Want to Target section by typing the name of a country, state, city, or town in the Locations field, and then select whether to include or exclude them from targeting. Now you will have to select your specific targeting criteria. For this example, we are going to select company industry and include hospital and healthcare as our first targeting criteria. Then we select job title and include purchasing agent as our second targeting criteria. Once you select your targeting criteria, you will have to select whether to enable or not audience expansion, which we recommend you to enable. Once you have made your selections on this page, click on Next. In the following step, you will have to set up your budget and schedule. First, you will have to select your bid type. You can either select cost per click if you prefer to bid for clicks, or cost per impressions if you prefer to bid per every 1,000 ad views. Once you select your bid type, you have to set up your budget and your schedule. Start by entering your daily campaign spend in the daily budget box, and then to enter your maximum bid amount in the bid box. Now select a campaign start date. You can either select to start immediately to launch your campaign right after you finish setting it up, or you can select the Schedule Start option to set up a different start date for your new campaign using the calendar function. Now click on Show End Date, Total Budget, and Ad Rotation options to adjust your campaign's additional settings. Click on the Campaign End Date box to enter an end date for your campaign using the calendar function. or simply click on Run Indefinitely if you plan to stop the campaign yourself. Now enter a maximum budget amount in the total budget box if you want to put a limit on how much you plan to spend on your new campaign. If you created more than one ad for your new campaign, you can use the options in the ad rotation section to optimize your ads for clicks, to show your best performing ads more often, or to allow ads to enter auction evenly if you want to show all your ads equally across your campaign's duration. Finally, click on Next once you've made your selections on this page. In the final Payment Details and Launch page, you will simply have to review your account and campaign details and to enter your payment method if you haven't done so already. Then you will simply have to click on Review Order and wait for your text ad campaign to launch. And that's it.